everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Craft. In today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to make this half chain and half beaded bracelet. This bracelet is really very easy to make. This one I have made it with sandstone, as you can see, and there is a thick chain plus there is a clasp lock. Sorry, not a clasp lock but a fancy I don't know what you call this lock. It's a lock. Okay, I hope you get it. Anyways, so let's start with the video. For this one I'm using a brown tiger eye beads, and these are really pretty shaded tiger eye beads, 10 mm of course. I am taking some of the jump rings, some 4 mm silver beads, and fancy lock. Of course you can use a clasp lock if you wanted to. Thick chain or thin chain. If you have a thin chain, you don't have the thicker one, you can go ahead and double it. And one piece of fold. This is how the fold is. We normally use this in jewelry making. Of course, the pliers and scissors. So let's get started with the video. And you will need some thread for this bracelet. You can go ahead and use fish wire if you wanted to, but I am going to use this thread. It's really nice and strong acrylic thread. And you will need a lighter, of course, to burn this end of your thread. So make sure you use these kind of stuff under supervision of any adults. And so I have used 7 beads of 10 mm. I'm going to take my first bead and I'm going to take one section of thread. Then I'm going to add 4 mm silver bead and again the 10 mm bead. You have to make sure you follow this all the way along. One silver bead and one of your regular bead. The reason I have used thread into this one is just because thread is easily available at home. Like, we don't have to buy. Just use thicker thread, otherwise your bracelet can break easily. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the last one 7. After adding the 7 beads, this is what your work is gonna look like. Now we are going to attach this piece to our chain. Now take your chain and from your chain pass this through like that, and make sure you take the matching thread of your matching from your beads. And now we are going to pass this thread again from this whole part of these beads. So pass it through each and every bead. If your thread is not passing through, you can go ahead and use the needle, but my thread is passing through, so I'm going to make sure that I double this again. And look, the chain is attached to it. So I'm going to pass this through all of these beads and get back to you and tell you what we have to do next. So I'm done with this work, and this is what your bracelet is going to look like. And now we are going to add fold at the end, and make sure you don't tight this work too much, otherwise it will get stiff. So make sure it's easily bent. Now keep your fold like that to both of the thread. Grab your flat nose plier, close the fold, cut the thread. I'm going to burn the end off, and you're done with this. And make sure you don't cut chain first. It's just because you have to measure. Place it on your hand like that, and make sure you give it a little gap between around ½ inch to 1 inch, because we are going to attach our lock. And now grab your jump rings, take the lock, and simply attach your lock with the jump ring to your bracelet. And this is super easy bracelet, and this is how your bracelet is going to look like. You can make it in many different colors and designs if you wanted to. You can double the chain or keep it single, it's depend on you. You can add the clasp lock. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for giving your time to my videos. Take care everyone. Bye.